The second installment amounting to 18.027 crore was released on the 25th of April 2023. However, during the financial year 2023-24, the implementing agency has utilized only 1.66 crore and partial utilization was submitted on the 26th of April 2024. Therefore, there needs to be a clarity about whether it was because of the non-payment of the bill which was submitted by the contractor, or the contractor was not able to submit the bill to that extent of which the physical progress was already completed.
Speaker, sir, this question, sir, it is because it is not a payment of the bill, so it's a contractor was very slow and the contractor could not do the work, therefore, so the progress of work very slow and the implementing agency could not use the funds.
That, sir, we are aware that the construction is taking more time than we had expected for multiple reasons. But we strongly felt, we debated this and discussed this in detail, we strongly felt that we must start the academic sessions because the students require the courses. And therefore, wherever the building has been completed, the classrooms will be fully made functional and interiors will be completed. And while the construction of the rest of the part is going on, we will start the classes so that students don't miss out this year also. Otherwise, we'll have to wait till next year. And even 1 year is very important. So therefore, given the limited space, whatever the building space is available, we will start the course, keeping in mind that the construction should continue and the building that part that has been completed, full infrastructure will be done and contractor will be pushed to finish the building, is being done in the interest of the students so that our students can start the courses. There will be slight inconvenience maybe for a year, but I think it's better than losing 1 year of academic courses for the students of that area.